Assalamu alaikum. This is Anse Tamara Gray for our Monday family recipe series in March, Women's History Month. This recipe is in our family. It's been in our family for years. And I know you're thinking, hot chocolate, why don't I just buy it at the store? Because everything you make at home is better. And it creates memories for you and your family. Okay, so Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim is the first thing we're going to put into this hot chocolate. Would you like to sit up on the counter so you can help me? First thing we do actually is not start with milk. We start with high quality hot cocoa. And I'm using a gourmet baking cocoa for this. Oh, you're bringing a chair. Okay. Very good. Okay, that's good. Come on. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, you can go ahead and do this. Say hello. You can fill that and put it in the pan with cocoa. Okay?
Right here?
Yeah, right there. We're going to fill a nice saucepan. Non-stick is better. Put it right in. Right on top there. Okay, maybe one more of those because we're going to make a whole lot here. So plenty of cocoa. Let me see what this scoop is. This says it is, so it's about half a cup. We've put about half a cup. Yeah? Okay, good. All right, now we're going to add a little bit of sugar. First, we want to cover this and put it away so you don't make a big mess, okay?
No, because if we put it on everywhere, it's going to be a mess next week.
That's right. It'll be a mess next week. Okay, so we're going to start with a little bit of brown sugar. I'm going to put some brown sugar in this half cup thing that my granddaughter here is holding. Okay, and it's about a quarter cup though. I'm not filling it. About a quarter cup of brown sugar. Put that. You can go ahead and put that in. Good job. And we'll add a little bit of white sugar too. Now, if you are a family that doesn't like a lot of sugar, obviously you can use whatever kinds of.
No, I want to.
Whatever type. Here you go. Whatever type of sugar that you guys like to use. Okay, we're going to put half a cup of sugar in here. Okay, go ahead. Okay, now on top of the cocoa and the sugars, we're going to add water, not milk. Go ahead. Pour that on top. Another thing we're going to add is cinnamon. I actually like to add cinnamon stick when I have it. I don't have cinnamon stick today.
Can you put it in here so I can do it?
Sure. So we want a good tablespoon of cinnamon. I'm just going to put it in here so she can put it in. Ooh, that's a little bit too much, maybe. Hang on. We'll put some back in here. Okay. That's going to make it really cinnamony, which is how we like it. Now this is growing. I don't know. I think they can kind of see it. Let's show them.
Let's show them.
How much it's growing. Can you see? It's just huge because what we're doing here is reducing it. We want to really boil it down, get that sugar to work. We don't have a lot of sugar in there though, so it'll take a little bit of time. We're not really going to make an actual syrup. Although my mother probably would say we're supposed to make a syrup. Actually, my mom might put more sugar in it than I just did. We have a whole quart. No. You're just going to take the whole thing and pour it in there. Could you do that?
Okay.
I'll give you some help. I'll be standing right here to help you. I'm going to turn the fire down a little bit so that. Okay, let's get it in the pan. There you go. Good job. All of it. So we're adding an entire half gallon of milk to this mixture. And I'm going to show you what color it's supposed to look like now. Of course, now it's ice cold, but it'll become more of an minute here. Can you see? That's not really good lighting. Oh. This way. There we go. That shows the color. Okay, that's sort of what it's supposed to look like. So you do one, and then you can taste it. Go ahead. You okay? Very carefully lift it above. Come on. Good. And pour it in. Being careful of his hands too. Very good. Excellent job. And that's your hot chocolate. Would you like to taste it for the people? Hold on to it with 2 hands. This one up. This one up.
It's good.